If you're a complete beginner and you want to learn AI, but you don't know where to start, in this video, I'll give you a complete AI Run 2026, simple, practical, and designed especially for beginners. First, let's understand what AI really is. Artificial intelligence simply means systems that learn from data and make smart decisions.
To start learning AI. Today, AI is about understanding logic, using the right tools, and thinking creatively.
To start learning AI. Today, AI is about understanding logic, using the right tools, and thinking creatively. These are the AI tools every beginner should start with. ChatGPT for thinking and writing, Midjourney for visuals, and Runway for AI video. These tools are beginner-friendly, in high demand, and they prepare you for real-world AI careers and projects. In 2025, AI success isn't about tools alone. You must build core skills, prompt writing, AI research, and automation thinking. In 2025, AI success isn't about tools alone. You must build core skills, prompt writing, AI research, and automation thinking. In 2025, beginners have real AI career paths, from AI content creation to automation specialists, prompt engineers.
You can start through freelancing, remote jobs, or even your own online business, all powered by AI skills.
AI career paths, 2025. AI offers real career paths for beginners. In monthly, you can start as an AI creator, prompt engineer, or AI assistant. First 3 months, learn AI basics, tools, and simple real-world use cases. Next 6 months, build projects, improve prompts, and start small freelance work. After 12 months, you confidently build advanced projects and solve real problems. Now focus on freelancing, remote jobs, and scaling AI-powered income streams. Most beginners try learning everything at once, which causes confusion and burnout. Another mistake is watching tutorials without practicing or applying AI tools daily. Focus on one skill at a time and practice daily with real AI tools. Follow a clear roadmap, track progress weekly, and improve by building small projects. AI learning takes time, so stay patient, consistent, and focused on daily improvement. Small daily actions with AI tools create big results over months, not days. Learn basics first. Master tools, build skills, then move toward real AI careers. You don't need perfection to begin. Just start learning and grow step by step. Confidence grows when you practice consistently and see small wins with AI tools. The best time to start learning AI was yesterday. The second best time is now.
Choose one AI tool today, practice daily, and commit to consistent learning. Choose one AI tool today, practice daily, and commit to consistent learning. AI is not replacing you, it's empowering those who learn and adapt early. Follow this channel to learn AI step by step, clearly, and without confusion. This roadmap gives you clarity, direction, and confidence to start your AI journey. Keep learning, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video.